THINKWARE Dashcam U3000 model. There are a number of models of the U3000 online. This one has optional OBDI cable, an optional rear camera, and an optional battery. You can hook up the battery if you have the cable, but if you want the extension of the rear cam, you're going to have to purchase. THINKWARE has no way of form in watching this video or telling me what to say to you. They're not paying for this video, but they are offering the product for review. And I want to thank THINKWARE for sending the product. The good, the bad, the ugly. I'm going straight to the point and telling you like it is, and you'll make the decision for yourself on this over $500 item. The one thing I love about this camera, the Dashcam radar, is the speed camera alert system. That said, let me show you what you get in the box in the unboxing review. This is from the company THINKWARE Dashcam U3000 camera. It has optional rear camera, OBI cable, and battery connection cable. Check online for further details about the models you want. This is a UHD 1-channel model. It has super night vision, parking, LKAS, speed camera, and more. We're going to show you what you get inside this box. This is those modern radar cameras today. It does not require the use of a smartphone, but does require the first initial hookup. There's plenty of paperwork. The camera, a CPL lens permanent install that can be taken off, a supplied DIN and 12-volt adapter that has a fuse that is replaceable, optional. 64 gig card with a slot reader. The clips to hook up your 12-volt cables to the side of the car for neatness. Sun blocking sticker. And an additional adhesive sticker for the mount if ever falls off. The tool to put the cable behind your molding and more. The THINKWARE Dashcam QR symbol to get you to the firmware, the downloadable manual, and more. Comes in a number of languages. Information. The unit has a 3M sticker already on the mounting system that goes on one particular way and slides to the side. And once you put it on, basically leave it up there. You can remove it if you like. As you can see, it snaps in firmly and clicks to the side. The CPL is on. It's one time only, aligned perfectly as you can. There is a security LED recording light located on front of the camera and has two little self rubber buttons on the side. The camera is adjustable in angle for the dash that you put it on to the windshield so you could align it correctly to the bottom of the hood and the center of the windshield. On the back of the unit, you have the OBDI extension, the battery hookup, the 12-volt hookup, and the dash cam rear camera hookup. Underneath, you have lights and buttons. These are the lights: GPS, Wi-Fi on and off, the record button, the on and off, the Bluetooth, and the voice, the speaker area. On the side over here is an SDXC card slot that gives you the included 64 gig card. The special cable gets hooked up to the DC port only.
Please have a safe drive today.
The unit says, please have a safe drive today. Bluetooth Wi-Fi is hooked up and it's recording. This is the record button. Press it.
Recording will now start.
It stops. This is a on-off button.
Please have a safe drive today.
This is the Wi-Fi GPS button. And this is the voice button to...
Voice recording disabled. Voice recording enabled.
Now, in order to hook up the unit, you're basically going to open up your smartphone, open up the application, and connect. The only time you use a smartphone if you want to do the restricted use of the product that will disable the LKAS, LKAS, and speed red alert cameras. This is live view. In live view, it takes a couple of seconds to start up. On the bottom, you have miles per hour, the voltage, the date, and time. You notice a blue and green light telling you to calibrate your camera. There's just a little bit of a latency. In order to change the screen, just hit, you have the calibration on and off on top. You have the enable and disable of the system over here by a speaker or microphone. And then you have a back arrow that will get you into the camera's bottom here of the settings to where you would download your speed camera data. At the THINKWARE site, you can also download the information, and all of it will be within here. Underneath support, this is where you download your camera information. Your Dashcam settings can be found underneath your Dashcam settings. All the information over here. So if you're setting up your road, that's all the information here. Follow along and you'll be able to set everything up. The important part of this is you don't want to wear your battery down. It has a low voltage cutoff located here. You have road safety that you can set up. There's a lot you can do in the application. If you're looking for a radar safety device, this device of the U3000 Dashcam single lens camera with the optional purchasing of other parts that can be visited online may be right for you. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in a Dashcam. Thank you very much. Now that we've seen the unboxing video, well, we're going to go out and show you the install, how simple it is to put up. We're going to run our cable with the tool, push it behind, plug the camera in, make sure it's on, open up the application, set it up to where you see the calibration lines, and then once you see the calibration line, what we're going to do is take the camera, install above, just above those blocking lines, adjust the lens and angle it to the hood, and we're all set as 1, 2, 3. Man, this is simple as 1, 2, and what's number 3? Getting on out there for that test ride. Start up to the camera's actual turn on.
Please have a safe drive today.
Takes about a minute plus to get going.
Connected to a smartphone.
Hit the live view. And we're ready. Over here, it's telling you that you should be able to come over here and align from the blue and the green areas to center your hood. The voice over here as a speaker disables and enables the controls. So we're going to go right past the speed camera and show you what this is about. You can orientate your phone to get a bigger view. As we're riding along, you can see how the camera looks at the road. This has lane departure, so if you go across the lines, it should warn you. We'll go past another speed camera and we'll see. Look at this. This is why you have a dash camera. They just run and run in front of you. You can enable and disable the speed camera as shown. On the left-hand side by the flag, you'll see a speed camera. It is on the opposite side, which you will not detect. We'll pass by and show you what it's about when we pass again. While connected to the camera, it will restrict certain features of the actual camera. This is basically for view. We can also go into the camera's information. As you can see here, right down here, there are 4 squares and a red dot that tells you there is an app information support, the N that you want to click and download the safety cameras. Download safety cameras, and this will allow you to basically see where the cameras are at. It loads down pretty fast, quickly completed. And over here we have all the controls for voice, Wi-Fi, GPS, and record. I have lane assist on.
Camera in 0.2 mile. Speed limit is 20 miles per hour.
So this warns you way well in advance of a speed camera that is past that box truck.
Speed camera in 0.1 mile. Speed limit is 20 miles per hour.
And there is the speed camera. It only works when the smartphone is not active. You hear a ding, and you ride to the next speed camera.
In 0.2 mile. Speed limit is 20 miles per hour.
The camera is on the light afterwards where you see the school bus all the way down. Speed cameras by the school bus right after.
Speed camera in 0.2 mile. Speed limit is 20 miles per hour.
The next one is we're riding along and there'll be a speed camera on the service road that will register on the highway, which is incorrect. So you have to be careful where this thing will tell you where a speed camera's at. Right on the side of the road.
Speed camera in 0.2 mile.
Over there at the exit.
20 miles per hour.
And it has nothing to do with the highway.
Speed camera in 0.1 mile.
There it is, as you can see, I'm pointing where that car is at. So, THINKWARE Dashcam U3000 does its job quite well. I can't go over every single detail. I basically went over the main feature of this camera, speed camera alert. That is something that you want to have in the car to warn you well in advance. Our new cars, they already got the LKAS system, so you don't need to have lane departure if asked. And if you have an older car, yeah, this will give you everything that the newer car has in a dash cam. And the good thing about this one is, set your smartphone up once, you don't have to set it up again. The only time you use your smartphone is to play back the video, everything that's on there, and alert you, nothing more. And on that note, I hope you enjoy your, oh yeah, ThinkCam U3000. Thank you very much for viewing.